Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to a TV using Screencast on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First, open Settings on your device and then scroll down to Device Connect option. Open it, then select TV Tile. Now, before we start casting the screen to our TV, first of all, open network settings on your TV and check which Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Make sure that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network by swiping down the control center and checking your Wi-Fi status. Then, in Screencast menu, tap Search for Display Services. Then allow this program to use audio recording and location, photos and videos, and audio files. Tap Agree and Continue. Then give it 2 more permissions. Tap Agree and Continue again. Tap Turn On. And right now, if both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you should be able your TV on the screen. And once you tap on your TV, the screencast will begin. Now, besides, you can also access this feature quicker by swiping down the control center and looking for the screencast feature here. So for me, it's on the second page. Here it is. So we just have to tap on it and wait until our smartphone finds an available TV. And if you don't see the tile, the cast tile on your in your control center, tap this pencil icon at the top and then select plus to add a tile, and then find the cast tile in here and tap on it to add it to your tiles menu. Now I cannot see it here, but should be somewhere. Here it is, in connection menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.